If your dream is to escape your life, I think it's time to redesign your life. क्या आपको ऐसा लगता है that you need a vacation every 3 months because you get burnt out or stressed? Vacation feels good, but the real piece is if you don't need one. Are you grinding Monday to Friday just to enjoy your Saturday and Sundays? Do you also feel after some time कि यार I am tired, I am stressed, I need a break? Then you're doing something really wrong because you don't need to or you're not supposed to feel like this in your life. If you can resonate with any of this, then this video is for you. कभी अपने आप से पूछ के देखो that why do we crave so much for a vacation? Answer is simple, because we are building a life that we want to run away from. We are so burnt out, we are so stressed, our routines are numb, our relationships are suffocating us. Where is the happiness? What are we doing wrong? Or in fact, we are not doing anything right to fix this. Your life should not be needing a vacation if you live it the correct way. We have made our lives so bad and so miserable in our day-to-day hustles, operations, firefightings, personal relationship, employee-employer relationships. We are just suffocating ourselves. We are not doing business. We are not doing a job. We need to understand क्या फिक्स करना है लाइफ में कि वेकेशन की जरूरत महसूस ही ना हो. And then when people ask us कैसा चल रहा है और how are we doing, our answer is too busy, bro. I'm just occupied with too many things. I have too many things on my plate. But real reason is that you don't need a vacation if your life is not like a prison. एक बार के लिए ना स्क्रिप्ट को फ्लिप करते हैं. What if I don't have to chase my getaways? Instead, I chase a life where I don't have to get away. सोचने में थोड़ा सा अजीब लगता है ना, but it's beautiful. How about the real success is not getting a beach holiday in Bali? How about you don't have to wake up with an alarm? How about you don't have to stress about anything? How about breathing calmly on a Monday or a Wednesday morning with no stress? Just imagine, we have glamorized hustle so much, but hustle का असली पर्पस क्या है? To stop hustling someday. We are building something from which we are running away. No, we have to build something from which we don't feel like getting out. Now let me give you 5 principles to build this kind of life. Because problem के बारे में तो बहुत बात हो गई, solution भी तो चाहिए. So number 1 is that you need to really understand what is your version of success. आपके लिए सक्सेस का वर्जन क्या है? What is your why? जो भी आप कर रहे हो लाइफ में, whatever business, whatever job that you're doing, why are you doing it? What do you want? Emotional stability, creative high. पैसा why नहीं होता, always remember that. So what is your real why you want to do it? एक आपका version of success बना लेते हैं that if this is what I get, I will feel successful. Let's define that, because until unless that is not defined, we will not be able to design it properly. Principle number 2, integrate joy, don't schedule it. हम लोगों के साथ क्या हो गया है कि हमें कोई भी ऐसा काम करना है जिसमें खुशी, joy, any good emotion that comes in, we plan it for the weekend. Why? मंडे टू फ्राइडे खुशी नहीं चाहिए, मंडे टू फ्राइडे जॉय नहीं चाहिए, मंडे टू फ्राइडे बच्चों के साथ टाइम स्पेंड नहीं करना, मंडे टू फ्राइडे अपने रिलेशनशिप, स्पाउस, बॉयफ्रेंड, गर्लफ्रेंड, पेरेंट्स, किसी के साथ कुछ नहीं करना. Why is everything scheduled for a weekend? No, we have made our lives like this. Enjoy things on daily basis. Listen to music. Have a stroll with your loved ones in nature, in park, whatever you do. Go out for a movie. Don't go out for a late show. Go for an early show. Do certain things which give you joy. For meaning of joy for everybody is so different. Do yoga, do exercise, whatever gives you happiness. Do it on daily basis, not for weekends. If you feel like partying, party on a weekday, no problem. But don't schedule. Joy has to be part of your life and not part of your weekends. Number 3, align your work with your energy. कुछ लोगों का पीक परफॉर्मेंस सुबह 5 बजे आता है, कुछ लोगों का पीक परफॉर्मेंस रात को 11 बजे आता है. Both are absolutely fine, but find what works for you, what flows with you, and then peak it. Make the maximum out of it. जब आपको आइडेंटिफाई हो जाए कि आपका पीक क्या है, उस पीक पे टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करना, परफॉर्म करना. सेट लाइफस्टाइल बाउंड्रीज, नॉट ओनली योर वर्क बाउंड्रीज. बहुत ब्यूटिफुल बात है समझना दैट इफ यू से नो टू समबडी, इट इज अ फुल सेंटेंस. If you don't want to do something, just say no. What we do instead is we end up saying yes just to get those loyalty benefits. Now, this sounds like a subscription loyalty benefits. No, it's not about that. It's about the social loyalty. Friends are making a plan, you want to say no, but you are not saying no because you want to be part of it. You are not saying no ये सोच के कि सामने वाले को कैसा लगेगा. You are not saying no ये सोच के कि मैं सर्कल से बाहर ना हो जाऊं. You are not saying no ये सोच के कि पिछली बार उसने बुलाया था तब भी मैंने मना किया, आज भी मैं मना कर रहा हूँ. You need to understand what are your boundaries. You need to understand what you need to do so that you can have a lifestyle which doesn't need a vacation. For that, you need to learn how to say no. And no is a full sentence. Number 5th and important, master the money game. जिंदगी में ना इतना पैसा कमाओ कि आप लोगों को ना बोल सको. Not only no to the people who you don't want to work with, also no to some clients, no to jobs, no to people when it is about social commitments and just turning up because you have to turn up. No, you don't have to turn up. You only have to turn up to build a beautiful life. That's what you need to learn. Come on now, let's be real. Not everyone over here can quit their job and move to Goa. But what we need to do and apply from today in our life is that 1 hour. 1 hour of mental peace. 1 hour of focused working. 1 hour of building some skill set. 1 hour of understanding that what are our life goals and are we working towards it. Everything doesn't start with money. Things also do start with awareness. We need to build a life for ourselves and our family where we understand that we are moving towards the goal of life where we don't need a vacation. We need a life which keeps us happy and fulfilled. Ask yourself this one question. Are you building a life that feels right or a life which only looks good on Instagram? The goal over here is not to never take a vacation. I love vacations and I will ask you also to take vacations. But the goal over here is to understand that when you go for a vacation and when people ask you what are you running away from, your answer should be that I am not running away from anything. I am doing this because I built it. Subscribe to this channel because I keep creating so much content and my only aim is to motivate you and make you achieve your dreams. Share this video if you liked it with people who will benefit out of it. Until then, it's your friend Sumit Khubchandani.